Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Sleepnitez brand. They're an 8-inch wedge pillow for acid reflux control. It's luxurious 3.25-inch memory foam for sleeping, anti-snoring, Gerd, post-surgery. Includes Tencel Bamboo, which is really nice. I'm going to talk about what that is, but I first want to show you, this is the box right here that it came in. And it's not a really big box, you can see by my hand. So you're wondering how they're fitting in there. Well, it's going to open up. We're going to open it up, and it's going to expand, and you got to let it expand for 24 hours or a little more, and it'll come to its full shape. So let's open this up now. So here it is out of the box. Now this outer cover is Tencel Bamboo. It provides sleepers with outstanding breathability and sustainably made from bamboo plants, and it's really soft, so it's not going to get you hot when you're sleeping. This has a lifetime warranty, this product. This memory foam is vacuum packed, as you can see, and we're going to open it up right now and take a look what it looks like. Here it is out of the package, and we haven't taken the plastic off, and they do have a little pamphlet telling you how it'll fix itself. After up to 72 hours, you wait, and it'll inflate itself up. So there it is out of the plastic, and it's already expanding. Looks really like the back is already fully tall. They had a label on there. Make sure you register for your lifetime warranty. But it feels really smooth, the cover on here. And if you ever get stains beyond the cover, you're supposed to use a damp cloth with a little soap and air dry it. You never put the foam in your washer. But this outer piece is totally removable, and you could totally wash it. Now what's unique is that you see this edge right here. Let's move this back a little bit so you can see a little bit clearer. This edge is really nice. It goes basically to zero, so that when you're laying in here, you won't have this edge hurting your skin, causing a problem. Very smooth, very even transition. And I just can't stress how soft this is. It feels really nice. Now, if you look at the side view right here, you can see that wedge itself. And it's still expanding, but look how tall that is. That's what's going to help you with your acid reflux and problems that you might have from being not on an angle when you're sleeping. So this is even fully expanded. Let's just take a look with a tape measure right here. That's about 7.5 inches on the edge right there. That's amazing. So that's what's going to keep your angle of your head and your torso up, so that acid gets pulled down with gravity. So I'm going to use this and see how I like it and report back to you and let me know what I think. So I tried it for a couple of nights, and it works really nice because I have a CPAP mask, and it worked perfectly. It's very comfortable, and you can sleep on your back or on your side, but you can definitely feel that you're on an angle now, but it's not too much of an angle so that you're uncomfortable. So I like this product. I'm gonna recommend it to a friend I have who has acid reflux, which I do also. So this is a good product. It's very comfortable to sleep on. It's very soft material. So what do I think after sleeping and testing the Sleepnitez, their bed wedge pillow? Well, it helped me with my acid reflux, allowed me to use my CPAP machine easier. It seems like I was breathing better, and as I demonstrated, it's pretty comfortable and really soft. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be ordering links in the information and comments section of this video review. Please use those links to order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.